I have two old fuel pumps here. One of it has a faulty check valve and is going to allow the flow of fuel to pass out, to be pumped out, and also to go back in when there's no pressure action from the fuel pump. The other one will pump out and the check valve is intact, will not allow the return flow of the fuel pressure that has been built. So let's check it out. So let's see the first one, which is this. It's an old fuel pump but it's still working. So I could blow through it, I could suck from it. I hope you could hear that. So it means that by sucking from it, it means that it can allow fuel to come out, the normal pump direction. And by being able to blow back into it, it means that when the fuel pump is not working, the pressure of the fuel is going to be leaking back into the fuel pump. That is bad. You're going to be having a hard start from that. Now, I want to test the second one. So I'm going to be sucking first from it. That's the direction of pumping out. So I was sucking from it. So that is normal to allow air to pass through. But now I want to blow into it, which it should not allow. It's supposed to reject the backflow, the return of fuel into the fuel pump. Let's see if this is going to give in. I'm not able to do that. Again. I'm not able to blow through it. So this one has a good check valve. And if you hear, I don't know if you can hear, shaking this, you can hear some rattling. I hope my microphone can catch that. That's a check valve, which is always had a spout here. And on this one, the check valve is not rattling. So the check valve here has failed.